your girl Nyako, and in today's video I wanted to show you guys how I made and installed my own crocheted spring twists. As you can see right here, these beautiful, lovely, fluffy, amazing spring twists I have going on. And I have done spring twists before in the past the traditional way, and it took me about 7 hours to install the hair. But this time I crocheted the hair and pre-made the hair a day ahead of time, and it took me about 2 hours to install the hair. And it took about 2 hours to prepare the hair too, but that's the easy part. So I just figured I'd bring you guys a video and kind of share the wealth, and so you can do this yourself and have a really quick, easy, lovely spring twist crocheted style. Okay guys, as far as the things you'll need your hair, of course, and it's going to be this spring hair right here, this springy boingy looking hair right here. And this hair is by Becolor, and they're available on Amazon, and I will put a link in my description box where you can go check them out. And this hair comes 3 bundles per pack, so I got 2 packs and I used 4 bundles. And you'll need your crochet tool. You'll also need a wooden dowel or wooden stick. I got this stick at Walmart and it was 99 cents. And it's over in the crafting area where you can find fabrics and paints and beads and things like that to craft with. And I also used a portable rolling hanger rack, and that was $8 at Walmart. And I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's really lightweight, so I can just pick it up with one hand. And right here I have some twist ties that I just tied at the bottom, and I just put my wooden dowel through here and just kind of space it out. And as I work on preparing the hair, I just let it hang. Once I'm done, I take it off and I can just slide the hair right off the wooden dowel. And I didn't use any product for this particular style. I know the last time I did spring twist, I used some gel at the end of the hair. This time I didn't use any product. And also I didn't cut the hair in half, and I didn't split the hair. You know, usually once you fluff the hair out, you would split it, but I left it whole just like this, so that it can be this kind of thick, natural looking consistency like this. You guys can see that. And if you like this video, consider subscribing and give it a thumbs up. So right here, I'm just showing you my setup with my hanging rack and my wooden dowel, so you can just see how that looks. And this is my hair, and I'm just stretching it out, trying to loosen the hair up. And I'm going to begin fluffing the hair and just trying to get it to be a little fluffier and easier to work with so it can look more natural. Okay, hair is all fluffed out, so I'm just going to go ahead and put it across my wooden dowel. And I'm going to lightly start twisting the hair to the right. It's very important that you twist this hair to the right, because if you twist it to the left, it won't look like a spring twist. So just lightly twist the hair to the right. Don't force the hair, just twist it lightly to the right. So the hair is all done, it's all twisted, so I'm just going to clean it up with some scissors and just clip off some of the ends and just try to clean up some of these stray pieces of hair and make it look a little neater. So I'm all done, and this is the final product here. So for my braid pattern, I have 14 braids going across the front, and they're stopping halfway through, and then I have 5 braids going to the back. And because my hair is long, I just connected the long part of my hair up with the hair needle and hair thread. And I have my bunch here of pre-made crochet hair that I did earlier. And I also have a few of them still here on my little wooden dowel here. So I decided that I'm going to start with the front, crocheting the front portion of my hair first, because I don't really want to start with the back and then I have too many crochet in the back and then I don't have enough for the front. I'm really kind of gauging it as I go, because I've never pre-made my hair before and then crocheted. So I'm just trying to see how much I need here. And plus, I don't really want my hair to be really, really full. I just want it to be like a light crochet. And yeah.